Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Phantom Wallet app. Let's get started. Now, when it comes to changing your currency on Phantom Wallet, it's important to know that you can directly change the currency displayed. Phantom Wallet is a Solana-based wallet, which means it shows your balance in Sol or other Solana-based tokens like FPL tokens. By default, Phantom will display your flat value in USD. The USD value is based on the current market price of the tokens you're holding. Unfortunately, Phantom only supports displaying prices in USD at the moment, so you can switch to the other currencies like Euro or GBP right now. And that is it. I hope that clears up the confusion about whether you're not or you can change the currency on the Phantom Wallet app. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised with fresh new content. Till then, goodbye and be happy.